All right, let's jump right into it. In this explainer, we're breaking down a wildly accessible, low-cost AI startup idea that tackles a massive, generation-defining problem, the crushing weight of financial anxiety for young earners. We're going to walk through exactly how to build an AI money coach, from the core philosophy all the way down to the actual tech stack.
So think about it for a second. What's your biggest financial stress right now? Is it making rent? Is it debt? Or maybe it's just that horrible feeling of not knowing where your money went by Tuesday after payday. We have to ground ourselves in this question because this very real, very heavy pressure facing 18 to 30-year-olds today is exactly what this product is built to solve.
We've all been there, right? Staring at a terrifying bank statement in a cold sweat, just watching a number shrink. What we're doing here is completely replacing that guilt-inducing experience. Instead, imagine getting a friendly, warm, AI-driven weekly WhatsApp text that actually helps you make progress. It's the difference between feeling judged by an unblinking spreadsheet and feeling supported by a real coach.
Here's our roadmap for the explainer today. 1. The Gen Z financial crisis. 2. Coaching instead of tracking. 3. The viral feedback loop. 4. Demystifying the tech stack. And 5. Building a real business.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the Gen Z financial crisis and the heavy toll of financial anxiety. We really need to validate the intense pressures young earners are facing right now because honestly, the math out there is just unforgiving. There's a staggering number you need to know, 86%. According to the Money and Mental Health Policy Institute, 86% of people experiencing financial difficulty also suffer mental health problems as a result. This isn't just a spreadsheet problem, you know? It's a severe, direct hit to mental well-being.
The day-to-day reality is just a relentless barrage of draining expenses. You've got rent, completely devouring 40% or more of take-home pay, student loan repayments acting like this heavy, unavoidable extra tax, then throw in unrelenting energy bills, insane food inflation, and that silent budget killer, subscription creep. Those little monthly charges for Netflix, Spotify, or the gym you never go to, they drain hundreds from budgets that literally have absolutely zero slack to begin with.
So how do we fix it? That brings us to Section 2, coaching instead of tracking, a totally new philosophy for financial tools.
See, traditional budgeting apps completely miss the mark. Why? Because they're demanding. They want you to manually categorize transactions for an hour and maintain these complex, rigid spreadsheets. For an anxious person, that just equals more guilt. Our AI tool flips the script. It relies entirely on passive, non-judgmental coaching, meeting the user exactly where they already are, with automatic, plain English encouragement.
The user experience we're building is beautifully simple. First, a lightning-fast, 60-second secure bank connection via open banking. Next, you get a bite-sized weekly coaching message right in WhatsApp. After that, it automatically tracks a specific savings goal for you. And finally, you get a monthly subscription audit. The best part? Zero manual data entry required.
Just listen to the tone of this example message. It doesn't scream at you for blowing your budget. It simply says, your food spending was £127 last week. Try deciding on 3 meals to cook at home before the weekend shop. Worth trying this week? That is gentle, actionable guidance. And guess what? It works so much better than a complicated pie chart.
All right, Section 3, the viral feedback loop, and exactly why users are going to naturally share this.
You might be wondering how an app like this actually grows without a massive marketing budget. Well, because financial anxiety is this shared generational trauma, moments of real financial relief are instantly celebrated. When someone hits a £500 savings win or an audit finds $67 in forgotten subscriptions, they share it. They post it on TikTok. And because the coaching comes straight to WhatsApp, their immediate instinct is to just forward that helpful text right to their friends. The growth loop is built in.
Let's move to Section 4, demystifying the tech stack. We are going to look at how to build this for under £400.
While all of this sounds incredibly advanced, the underlying technology is actually surprisingly accessible. It's an elegant 4-layer setup. First, TrueLayer securely grabs the open banking data. Second, the Claude API categorizes all those messy transactions. Third, Claude writes that warm, personalized coaching message. And fourth, Twilio delivers it seamlessly via WhatsApp. All the heavy lifting is handled by simple API integrations.
When you look at the raw economics here, it is absolutely mind-blowing. TrueLayer gives you your first 500 users completely for free. The Claude API, that's going to cost you less than 5 pence per user per week.
and Twilio delivery is just half a penny per message. You are delivering a fully customized AI-driven financial coaching experience for literal pennies per user. It's incredible.
And you wrap all of that API magic in a standard rock-solid tech foundation. You've got React Native for your front-end mobile app, Node.js handling the back-end and cron scheduling, Railway for persistent hosting, and Supabase as your digital vault. That database choice is absolutely crucial, by the way, because it gives you row-level security, which is completely non-negotiable when you're dealing with highly sensitive financial data.
Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, Building a Real Business. Let's cover the revenue model and launch strategy.
So how do you turn this into a sustainable business without exploiting the very people you're trying to help? The secret sauce is a generous freemium model. You give away the core coaching, one savings goal, and the monthly audit completely for free to build trust. Then you offer a premium tier for $4.99 a month. That unlocks unlimited goals, daily insights, and psychologically powerful tools like peer benchmarking, where users can actually see how their spending compares to people with similar incomes.
Because that free tier is so genuinely helpful, your user base is going to grow fast. And even with a super conservative 8 to 10% conversion rate to premium, the recurring monthly revenue scales incredibly well. If you hit 10,000 free users, you're making nearly $5,000 a month. Scale that up to 50,000 free users, you're pulling in almost £20,000 every single month.
But to get those users in the door, your launch strategy has to live where Gen Z lives. You need to be posting daily, non-preachy FinTalk content. You should launch a standalone, totally free subscription audit tool to capture emails and build goodwill on places like Reddit's UK Personal Finance. You can even pivot to B2B and partner with student unions or employer wellness programs. The distribution angles are massive.
Look, if you remember absolutely nothing else from this explainer, please remember this core philosophy: coaching, not tracking; encouragement, not judgment. That right there is the singular reason this tool is going to succeed where every other traditional budgeting app has completely failed this generation. The blueprints are right here. The tech costs less than 400 quid to get off the ground. The revenue model works. An entire generation of stressed young earners is literally waiting for a solution that finally understands them. So, are you going to be the one to build it?